Hari aria marathurimo ta makamishna a kamiti ino
was Zimbabwe.
Gikundi giki riu gikienda kamiti ino itaririe uria maritwa ma aria marathurimo marongererekire kuma 105 na mbere ya cabithitio tariki 14 mweri muhituku ginya riu 111. Kamiti ino no ithingiririo itaririe mutaratara uria wahuthikire ukinyaniria itua riri noho eheane gitumi kia mutaratara uyu kwaga kuhuthika kuma kiambiriria kuringana na watho. Ona gukiri uguo gikundi giki nigikuranite kamiti ino irahikana na mahinda kumba kamiti ya IBC no gikauga no ginya waragania uthingatithio mutaratara-ini uyu.
This is my last.
Ndeto kajia makanitha NCCK ruhonge-ini rwa Mount Kenya yukirire ikiuga kamiti ino yaya kwagirwo mwihoko egiaga gukorwo na wigiriki wira-ini uria ithukirwo
na makiongerera thini wa shortlisted candidates kana andu aria maivali aria mathuritwe makiongerera maritwa mengi matandatu. Undu uyu nurarete undu utagiririkite no gatuma twigua taka turenda ku lose confidence na panel ino ya selection panel. Kuno aturie korwo undu uyu nwa wikwe na njira iria ngituma tuona mai tukigia na confidence nao kana tukigia na wigiririki nao undu cio tukona uyu undu mwega.
Maritwa maria mogereirwo guthurimwo ni Hassan Nur Hassan, Jibril Malim Mohamed, Michael Ben Oliewo, Charles Kipyegon Mutai, Stephen Kibet Ngano na Joel Mwita Daniels. Mihango ya guthurima makamishna ya ikigira thiko ya 12 umuthi.
What is the role of Parliament in reinforcing the independence of IBC while ensuring accountability?
IBC is an independent constitution or rather commission, but again we must understand that independence also needs also to be checked, because if left unchecked it can also become a rogue commission, and that's why there are those checks and balances where now the parliament and also the parliament comes in.
The mandate of the IBC as defined by Article 88 clearly spells out, enunciates, the place of the IBC, and one of which, of course, is to conduct.
Kamiti ya mwanya igacagura maritwa mere gituro-ini kia muikariri giti na maritwa kenda ituro-ini cia makamishna, na thutha ucio President William Ruto acagure muikariri giti na makamishna atandatu a IEBC. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.
Andu atatu ni makuire kurumirira mutino moru wa barabara itura-ini ria kwambira Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, barabara-ini nene ya kuma Nairobi guthii Naikuru. Hoini wa umuthi guku nao andu angi atatu nao makihonoka gikuo ciarera ende matigwo na nguraro njoru. Agikira ndeto ino mukonde na njira ya thimu ni munene wa borithi mwena wa Limuru Mirigacie augite hindi ya mutino uyu andu eri nio makuire hau nake mundu ungi umwe akua akiamukira urigiti thibitari-ini wa Tigoni. Kuringana na aria meyoneire mutino ucio maugite ati ngari ya andu 14 itulikire kuguru kwa mbere na yagaragara maita maigana ona.
Gari ino ni sani kumana na Naivasha igikuruka na taoni kuguru kwa hura no aya thikururu na hindo ni kugereria kwa overtake hau ya rurira ri no arugamira haha rurira rura no gwe gukegitaga nduja urira rura gukegitaga nduja
ba ndagia bataha bagu niguo ndona ngari ya hura honi ndona box ya overtake no ya hoitia guthana haha kuguru kauma gwa thutha ndefa hura honi abi ngari ya thiuro ya guthiuruka ndona andu makiambi kuma na njira tugo ndoka ira ndona arĩa makuĩte na haya matwarwo Katigoni hospitali.
Nĩ tũkoretwo tũkĩigua mena plan ya kũaramia bara ĩno, no by the meantime tũtirĩ tũrona any effort because ĩkoragwo ĩrũgamĩire hara Kamandũra, na from Kamandũra gũthiĩ nginya Naikuru rĩ haha kona ngari nyingĩ mũno bara ĩno ĩkoragwo busy because ina connect Western. So kĩrĩa tũngĩhoya nĩ atĩ thirikari ĩke effort ya naihenya igerie kwararamia bara ino tuone at least kana tukihota ku control ku regulate accidents irahanika sana haha na bara ino ya mai mahiu.
Na tugakihoera thayo muingi family ciaria makihurukire mutino-ini ucio na wale mari thibitari tugakimahoera kuhona kwa naihenya. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale augete ministry no ni gukorwo igikuruhania nginya nyiti itemi matiganite utungata-ini wa ugima wa mwiri ta mathibitari mado kiumbe na iria ire rungu rwa makanitha niguo gutigirira sekta ya ugima wa mwiri ni yehanda. Duale aritio uthutha wa kugia na giikaro na kiama kia madagitari KMPDU kuria kana amaheire mwihoko mateta mao maria makoretwo ho ni magutangikirwo.
Omuthe Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale ni ageire na giikaro na kiama kia madagitari KMPDU kuria maheire ciiraniro cia gutangikira mathina maria makoretwo makigweta na maria makoretwo magituma mambike migomo. Hindi ya giikaro giki Duale augite kugacira kwa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri ni undu urabatara unyitaniri munene wa nyiti itemi matiganite kuona uyu ti murigo wa ministry no iri wika akiuga arigitani ni megutangikirwo.
This ministry and the colleagues I work with will remain committed to a constructive engagement, safeguarding the rights and the welfare of health workers, in ensuring the delivery of quality healthcare service across the country. So I am ready to engage with the Council of Governors since health is devolved, and on Monday at 10 o'clock the executive leadership of the Council of Governors and the Committee on Health of the Council of Governors, I have a meeting with them so that we discuss this issue.
Na ciĩgie mĩcara ya arigitani arĩa marĩ rungu rwa mũtaratara wa interns arĩa makoretwo makĩrĩhwo nĩ thirikari ciringi 70,000 handũ ha ciringi 260,000. Duale augĩte nĩ mekwaranĩria na ministry ya kĩgĩna, ndundu ya maminista na president nĩguo kũiguithanĩria, akĩmoria kũheaga mĩario kanya mbere ya kwambĩka mũgomo.
2006 Kenya shillings for the interns. You have given me a lot of insight this morning. I'll consult the National Treasury, I'll consult the Cabinet, my colleagues, and I'll consult the President, and I will come back to you in about 2 to 3 weeks. It is better we always sort out our issues in our boardrooms and not in the streets. That is what I am.
Na ciĩgie uheani wa internship kuri aria marikia mathomo, Duale augite woyani ni wambiriirie na arigitani aya magatumwo mathibitari-ini tariki 1 mweri wa 7 mwaka uyu. Guku akiuga ona arigitani aria mandikirwo wira rungu rwa mubango wa UHC na matire mandikwo mawira ma gutura ni megutangikirwo.
The balloting for the internship has begun. The posting of the internships will be done on 1st of July. You have that commitment. And with your support and other stakeholders and the Council of Governors and the county government, we are planning to increase the number of facilities that can also accommodate internships.
Maya magithiaga na mbere ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni yamukirite njanjo 10,700 cia murimo wa mpox no heani wa njanjo ici ni kwambiriria ica ikuhi kuona andu 68 nio monekanite na murimo uyu. Kaunti 13 iria iri cingiriro-ini cia bururi iri ugwati-ini makiria.
And this vaccine we are receiving today has shown efficacy of up to 82% in reducing disease severity, transmission, and mortality, particularly among the vulnerable population.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.
Na rĩu kũrũmĩrĩra riboti ĩyo ĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ tũkwamba gũikĩria oro rĩngĩ mwĩroreri wa Kameme TV nĩ tũracokereria ndũgathiĩ kũraya.
It's one of the greatest nights in football. It's the final.